Welcome to qnawire.
Okay, so this is the graph I drew for this question from 0 second to 8 second. And as you can tell, the objects will have a maximum acceleration at a peak point, which is when the object is having a displacement at the amplitude. It's either negative a or positive a here. So at that point, the velocity is 0 and the acceleration is maximum. Okay, so for example, like a 0 second here, it has 0 speed, but it has a greatest acceleration here. And then 1 second later, the acceleration decreased a little bit, and now it's having a velocity now. And at 2 seconds, which is at a 0 point here, the acceleration becomes 0, but the velocity becomes the greatest. And then at 3 seconds, so now the object is still moving along the downward direction, but the acceleration is in the opposite direction, which is upward here. And at 4 seconds, the velocity becomes 0. So the object stay there, but it has a greatest acceleration at this point, upward at this point. Okay, which means that it's at another peak point at 4 seconds. And then at 5 seconds, the acceleration decreased a little bit, and now it gains some velocity at this point upward. And then at 6 seconds here is at equilibrium position again. Okay, because the acceleration becomes 0, but the velocity is at a maximum. And then at 7 seconds, the acceleration and the velocity has opposite direction, but the object is still moving upward. And eventually at 8 seconds, the velocity becomes 0 and the acceleration becomes greatest again. And now the object trying to move downward again. Okay, so these are the motions of the cards during these 8 seconds. Okay, and this is the answer for this question.